What's up? It's me, and today we are customizing press-on toenails. This is my first time actually customizing them myself. I have went and got the Kiss press-on toenails, the French tips. Y'all already know. If y'all went to Walmart, y'all know what I'm talking about. But I did this the same way I do my press-on nails. I shaped them. I went ahead and buffed them, and then I went on and applied 2 coats of white polish, and you'll see why I did that later on. But I really loved how these turned out. They're really cute and easy. So if you guys need an affordable and quick way to do your nails, this is it. This was supposed to be a complete foil set, but it kind of did not work out as planned. So you're going to see accents of the foil in there, the purple, the gold, the pink, and you're going to see the white. And I really love this. I got these foils off of Amazon. They actually came in a box full of like all these other type of foils. They're all marble color, but I'll put that in the description box so you guys have it. All I did was cut them into little pieces and went through my foil steps. If you guys don't know how to apply foils, I will put another video that I explained how to do foils in the description box for you guys. But really, it was super simple, super easy. So once I finished with my foil, I went in and added butterflies and gold foil. I really did this to step outside my comfort zone because I'm used to having basic sets. Like, I could have just stopped at the white nails and went about my business, but I felt like that would have been boring and lame. So I wanted to spice it up a little bit. So I added a butterfly to the big toe and the what do you call these? Like the ring toe. Okay. And I went ahead and added gold foil around all of it. If you guys would like to see more press-on toenail videos, let me know. I will create more designs for you guys. If you guys really did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below.